Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's not been too long. I'm thinking of uploading like every 2-3 days now because I have like exams, and then I mostly record like after my exams are like finished. So right now I just thought of getting on the Mashy SMP, show you guys like an official house tour type of video, and I have to thank all of this to Toasty man. I'm gonna also link his channel's link in the description, and also the Mashy Clans Discord server and all. So if you guys wanna join, you can too. So basically, I'll show you. Like, let's go over here. See, that is like Toasty's like grief base. Somebody griefed it. I don't know how. So this is like the entrance, pretty small. We are gonna extend it. Like, I'll show you the back of the house. We'll see how much we want to extend it. A small farm going on here. We have one more at Thor's base. Oh my god. And then this is like something Toasty has been working on. Like, it's not, I don't think it's completed yet. Like the berries, and then I don't know, like a small, this is like a connecting base. In case our base like gets griefed, we can stay in here. I don't know, like he has made all of this, guys. It's like not at all me. Even the resources, I tell him that let me get it, but then he's like, he wants to do it by himself, so he does it all by himself. Okay, let's close the doors. Guys, so basically I had to tell you kind of hilarious story. Like, I think yesterday or so, when I was on, I was playing, and then I left the door open. Okay, it was like this. I was here. I was going down. When I came back up, there was a creeper in front of me and it blasted. Then two more creepers came from there and they blasted. Dude, from then I never want to leave the house open, man. And then later I got scoldings like anything from Toasty, but then I mean, it was my fault. I will agree on that. So I won't deny that it's not my fault, but then, yeah, sad, man. And then yeah, guys, I'm soon gonna go netherite mining, as I'll show you. See this, all of those beds, bro, they're gonna get into use. Wait, what? Okay, so this is like Toasty's like underground type of area. Like, he just stays here. I don't know what he does. He did make something before. I don't want to. I don't think you can talk about it on YouTube, but yeah, he just made like a very like a nice looking place, like with a campfire and all. Yeah, it was very nice, but like overall. So, and also I'm gonna have to wait. Let me get. Oh shit! I forgot it has silk touch. And if you're wondering what an OP pickaxe like that is doing, like, I mean, I had combined like 2-3 pickaxes, I suppose, and then later I had gotten silk touch enchantment, which I put on that because I seriously needed silk touch and I didn't want to waste my time and put it on something like a diamond pickaxe, because on diamond pickaxe I would like to keep fortune 3 instead of silk touch. I mean, silk touch too, but then I feel I might go diamond mining soon, and maybe even ancient debris and all of that. Hey, wait. We are good. So guys, also, not like I just did a small house tour, but then I also want to show you guys something. Wait, I'll show like I have in our base like these guys called Fardeen and Borks. Borks, don't think it's BORKS, it's BORKZ if I'm right. So we all were hanging out yesterday over here, and like a big fight broke out where Thor, my friend, he and Fardeen had like a very big issue. I don't know what. I don't know, Fardeen was just continuously killing my man, and then he got angry and then he was like, stop, stop, and then Fardeen gave me the axe. I killed him 2 times. Big mess, man. I mean, I didn't want to kill him really. Like, I thought that just like he would take it more jokey way with me, but then looks like he got more angry, and that problem like fought it out now. Not really an issue. But then I seriously look forward to if these Thor. Oh shit. Oh no. And that's all the chances we are gonna go near the house. Okay, wait. So guys, yeah, this is a really good vest. This is a really good vest. This is a really good vest. So I'm thinking of combining these two. And making them one. Imagine that, boys. There's some glitch. Mashy Fob, if you're watching this, please fix the glitch, bro. See, if I do this, saying that, and then later it takes all of my XP, dude. See this? How do I have these two still? See, now it'll restart to the same shit all over again. Oh my gosh! I don't know if Borks or someone comes on the server. Wait, hold up, guys. I'm gonna DM these guys on Discord if they'll come on the server. I don't know, Borks was, I guess, in a Valorant game, I suppose. Then I think Mashy Sob, I guess he'll be, I think it'll be like early morning for him, like right now it'll be like 5. And then this Fardeen also, I guess it'll be 5, like they all stay in the UK, I suppose. So it'll be like early in the morning for them. And I think Borks is NA time zone, so I think he will be like night 1 right now. I mean, I think he's a night slayer, man. I don't know. But these guys have like really OP gear. And like, I don't know what is Thor's problem. I don't know. I support Thor too. Like, I support both of the sides. I don't want to fight. I don't want to be friends with everyone. But then, if realistically, if you tell what side to support on, I won't support any. I'll be like, not in this mess. Whose base is this? Wait. Think I might know. Guys, this is on video. I'm not stealing anything. I'm just seeing. Oh my god, this guy has been to some serious nether mining, man. Gosh, dude, chill out, my man. Wait, what is this? Dude, there's nothing written on that. So basically, I just wanted to update you guys on the story and then, you know, what's been happening in the SMP with me and then Thor and the whole like crew and all. And our base is finally built. Oh my god, I'm so bad. What? Okay. But I'm like, how can I not kill that fish? Guys, it's kind of dark. I don't want to stay out really because I haven't worn my armor. I don't really feel comfortable out here. I think I'm just gonna go. And guys. Recently we got a god, almost a god pickaxe. I mean not pickaxe, axe. No. Axe. I'm like always spelling pickaxe, axe. Today a hilarious thing happened. Oh shit. I'm getting comboed by two skeletons. Run! Oh my god. How am I surviving? How am I alive? Oh no! Oh my god! Just gonna hide in someone's shop, man. That's why I don't like to come out without armor, man. I don't care if I go broke with no armor. Oh my gosh, that was stressful, dude. Like, the only problem with clearing out land is it has like one advantage, which is like a really good advantage, but two bad disadvantages. Like one, it takes so much time to clear out the whole shit, and then second one, you have to face all of these mobs, man. They keep spawning so easily on the surface. Dude, I feel like I'm in a spy movie or something. Shit. Avoid. Man, why are they? And smash his hub if you're there, bro. Please tell me why do the zombies have such like OP gear? Like, not this time specifically. Like, always these zombies, skeletons have like, I got a bow, power 3, punch 2. Dude, like, seriously. Power 3, man. It's not a small thing. And that was skeleton has it. And punch 2 too. And then a guy, our neighbor, I guess you can call him, just a firm. She found like a drowned with full diamond gear. That's what she told me one time. We were like gone to mining before that. See guys, this is how far we want to expand it. And this is just nothing. We are gonna like break down this mountain. Then we are gonna build walls. Because like, first of all, that just from girl, I don't know, maybe it's just to keep safe from her, just to keep safe from like other intruders like zombies, you know. And I'm gonna keep walls a bit attached to the house, as again if we expand it too much, like mobs can come. Dude, like I feel half of the night instead of sleeping I spent fighting mobs. Dude, I'm just gonna go inside. Privacy, man. Whew. Dude. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna end the video here abrupt, but then don't have much to share now. I'll update you guys the next time I come on, okay? So so basically I'm just gonna kill these zombies first, and then I have to show them a pool. This is one of the favorite things of the house, bro. Come here, kid. No coming in my pool, man. I don't want rotten flesh. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you all next time. Bye.